Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Thank you for watching our brief demo all about the Lock50 HW04 A product. This is a customer in the USA who's about to make a key for a Range Rover, and we're just going to demo the device, how it works. So right now we've got a new key which is not being used on the actual HW01 reader, and we're going to go into OBD programming and test adding and removing keys and show you how easy it is, how simplified the process is, and how within minutes the job is completed without much effort at all. So as you can see, we're logged in. It shows us the year, the model, the modules, and the current keys. It's showing 3 inside the car. We're going to add another key for you and demo how fast put the key on the reader, which it already is on the reader as we read it earlier. And the key writing will begin. Completed. And we don't want to add any more. We've got 4 keys in the car at the moment, but only 2 of those keys are here right now that have been added. Previously 1 key was added before the video was started. This gives us a mismatch. Normally all keys would be present to complete this operation, but we can't complete the whole operation right now because 2 of the keys that are not in the car are not present in the car. So in this scenario, we would have to do is erase all the existing keys from the car itself and then relearn only 2 of the keys, the new ones that we were going to learn. So it's always good practice to erase all the existing keys that are not available at that time and somebody might be in possession of that key. So if you look here, replace passive entry keys, this is what we're going to do. We're going to clear all the keys in the car. So we start the function. It's going to delete all the keys. Press OK to continue. Once this is completed, now we go back to adding the keys, the same 2 keys or any other keys, and we'll be ready. So we're logged out and we're re-logging back in, and when we check this time, it should show that there's no keys in the car at all. And now we will proceed to add the 2 new keys into the car and complete the task. So right now if we come back down here, it's showing you there's no keys. So we go back to our key learning, add our additional key again, put the key on the reader. Remember, if you don't have the reader, the HW01, you can still learn the key, but you would have to press the button on the key itself to learn the key. That way it can be more time consuming, and you would normally need to have battery support connected to the car. This way you can avoid that process. So the first key is added. We're going to add the second key now, the new keys on the reader. Press OK. The second key is detected and we're adding the second key now. Second key has been added. We don't want to add no more keys. And now we're going to check those 2 keys that are in the car, that they're definitely available. And this time only the 2 that are added are in the car. The old ones have all been erased, and everything should pass the check here as it has. Press OK and the job is done, all completed. You can test the keys, keyless, open, close, emergency start, everything's functional. Within a few minutes, we learnt some keys, erased keys, we learnt keys again, and now we're just logging back in just to show you that only the 2 keys are going to be present back in. When we scroll down here, the 2 new keys are there, the rest are not. We can also go into live data functions within our tool, click on the live data and check the keys that are inside the car right now. So if you check the remote identification, it's going to show you in the BCM, in the emergency start, we've got these keys available, which are the same keys in the RFA, and the old keys have all been removed. So your old keys cannot emergency start the car, they cannot open the car, and they can't do anything no more, they're fully disabled. All this happened within the blinks of a few eyes. Very easy, very stable, very fast too. Contact us more for any information, and thanks for watching again. You have a nice day, and thanks again for showing interest in the Lock50 product. You have a nice day.